So hi guys, welcome to another video. My name is Barbara and here we do a lot of lifestyle, beautiful, inspiring content. So if you like more of these videos watching on YouTube, kindly please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It goes a long way into supporting this channel. So today I want us to do a homeware haul. It's a different kind of a haul. I know it's not all clothes haul that you guys have been used to watching, but I want us to do a homeware haul where I'm going to show you the items that I bought from Odds and Ends, which is in Nairobi, Mombasa Road. That's where I went and bought the jars from. I want to show you what I actually bought. Guys, I'm sorry if my my specs will be reflecting on the camera. So this is okay. Let me just hide my details. So this is the shop. It's called Odds and Ends Limited, and this is the address. I'm having my receipt here and I'll be referring to it on how much the items costed. They are not so expensive, so let me just jump into it. So first I bought this bottle. This is the first bottle I bought, and this is what they call it, retro clear glass bottle with clip lid, 1000 ml, and this costed, one piece costed 300 shillings, and they are selling it as a set of 3, so this costed me 900 shillings. So that is how it looks like. So it comes with this top. That is how you open it. So this is for storing my my juices in the fridge, since I blend a lot of juice. So I bought 3 of this. So this is how they look with juice when you put your juice in. So that is the other bottle. So the other one has also juice, orange juice. So this is just passion juice. Another thing I bought is this bottle also for my oil. So that is how it looks like. It's clear, and it comes with this top that you just press here. So this is called set of 2 oil vinegar glass bottle, 500 ml. I bought 2 of this. One of it is 200 shillings, so it costed me 400 shillings, but it comes with a set of 2. You cannot buy one. They have packaged it so nicely that you buy sets. So this is the first one and this is the second one. So this is for my olive oil, and this is for my the vegetable oil that I don't have a place for. So I bought 2 of those. Another jar that I bought is this jar. It's huge. It's an airtight jar. It's huge, very huge. It comes with a lid that is airtight, like that. You've seen such jars in my cooking video. If you watch cooking videos, I have this kind of a jar. So this is called a set of 3 retro glass jar with clip lid, 300 ml. This one costed 1 at 550 shillings. So 3 of them costed 1650. No, 1650. 3 of those. So I'm planning to put my my flour, my wheat flour, my maize flour, and my rice in here, because it's huge. It's 3 liters. It's 3 liters, so it's going to carry quite a lot. I'll just have to find some spoons, and then I will label the jars as I always do. I'll take you through how I label the jars, the machine that I use to label the jars. So that's another one. So I bought 3 of these. So those are 2, and that is the 3rd one. So 3 of the jars. They had a smaller one for 2 liters. I think it was 450 shillings, but a set of 3. Yeah. The other thing that I bought were these spice jars. These ones are very cute. I'm even thinking of changing those sets that I have to have this. So that is how they look like. They're lid, airtight, so you just clip in. So these ones were called set of 6 clear glass jars with glass sealed lid, 150 ml. The price per jar is 108.33, so 108 shillings. So comes as a set of 6. So that is how they look like, and they costed me 649.98. So 6 of those. Okay, they're very cute. I'm even thinking of changing all of them and giving away the other set. The other set that you guys always see, I got those from in town. There's a shop in town that sells also jars. I got those at, I think a piece was 40 shillings, but they're not airtight. So these ones are for my spices. I think that's it that I bought from odds and ends. The total costed me 3,600 shillings. You can check their website. They have quite a number of jars and they have crazy offers. Went to buy the jars because my kitchen needed those storage jars. I know it's a short video, so that's it for this video. Thank you so much guys for watching. Until the next video, bye.